OFS is a mechanism through which existing shareholders, typically promoters or large institutional investors of a publicly listed company, can sell their shares to the public. Unlike an IPO, where a company issues new shares to raise fresh capital, in an OFS, no new shares are issued by the company itself. The funds generated from an OFS go to the selling shareholders and not to the company. SEBI introduced the OFS mechanism in 2012 to make it easier for promoters of listed companies to dilute their holdings and comply with the minimum public shareholding norms. These norms generally require listed companies to have at least 25% public shareholding. OFS has become a popular and efficient way for both private and public sector companies, including government disinvestment, to achieve this. The process of an OFS is relatively simpler and quicker compared to an IPO. It usually takes place over two trading days with separate bidding window for retail and non-retail investors. The seller announced the OFS and set a floor price, which is the minimum price at which bids can be placed. Investors can then place bids at or above this floor price. A certain percentage of the offer is reserved for retail investors. Currently, it's a minimum of 10%, providing them with an opportunity to buy shares in established companies. Shares are allotted on a price priority basis, meaning higher bids generally gets preference. OFS is seen as a transparent process as it takes place on the stock exchange bidding platform, providing real time visibility of demand and offers. It also offers liquidity to existing large shareholders who wish to exit or reduce their stake without impacting the company's capital structure. For investors, OFS provides an opportunity to acquire shares at discounted rates in the companies that are already listed and have a track record. However, investors need to be aware that the bidding window is short, and unlike an IPO, there might be less detailed information about the company's futures plan available during an OFS.